Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on fertilizing garlic. Now, I planted my garlic in October, but because of climate change and the temperatures are getting warmer, next or this year, I will plant my garlic in November. Now, I have chicken manure, which is high in nitrogen. Again, you want to make sure that the ammonia has dissipated in the manure. In other words, you want to make sure that the manure has aged a minimum of 6 months. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take the fertilizer. I'm going to pull back the wood chips. And I'm going to plant my manure. It's called side dressing. This is chicken manure along with the flakes. And this is what I use in the bed of the chicken coop. So I'm just gonna garlic is a heavy feeder also. And so I would come back, or I'm going to come back once every couple weeks and apply some more fertilizer. Oh, look at this. And you know what? I thought all of my potatoes I had harvest, but obviously I didn't. So now I have garlic in with my potatoes, and that can create a problem because potatoes like more phosphorus and potassium, and garlic likes more nitrogen. But we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. See you soon.